Oh, I forgot what I say. Hello, loves, and welcome back to my channel. So, by the title of the Hello, loves, and welcome back to my channel. So, I decided to film this video on the Tribe Beauty Box because of a few reasons. And I'm going to give them to you all right now. Let's see if I can remember them all because, this is like my third or fourth try already. But anyways, this box is so neat because number one, this is a bi-monthly box, so you're not committed to getting it every month, and that's a great thing. So it gives you a break the following month on your pocket. Another thing is you can actually put this on hold. You can cancel it and you can come back to it. Another great thing about this is that you don't get samples. You get 5 full products, and each box is always going to have over $100 worth of products. So that's great. Another fantastic thing that I hear a lot of the followers on my Instagram complain about is that a lot of makeup, you cannot find it. I'm over here holding this up, right? You cannot find it international. They ship international. So if you're not in the United States and you're outside of the United States, they ship to you. So that's beautiful because I don't know really any box like that other than I think BoxyCharm maybe possibly does Canada, but I'm not 100% sure. But I love that. So let's get into what's inside the box and make sure that I covered everything. $100 worth of products. Oh, another wonderful thing about this box is that they give back to women. This is all about like women empowerment, about small businesses. So a lot of the products that they get a lot of products that are well known, but they also get a lot of products from different brands that are coming up. And I think that's a great way because let me tell you, I have tried so many products that people have never heard of, and I was blown away by some of them. So it's always good to try, and this is how I really started to gain my collection is subscription boxes. I used to have at one point like 6 of them. Let me put this here. I used to have like 6 of them, and then now I only have one, and now this one. I am affiliated with them, so that's the reason why I always wanted to try it. But when they gave me that opportunity, it was like great. And then they gave me a coupon to share with you guys, which is even better because that way you can give it a try, and if you like it, great. If you don't, then you lost nothing, but you gain a few good products. Okay, so the first product in the box is from Wonder Beauty, and this is the Dive-In Moisturizer, and it's comes in a little cute box like this. And this one right here is so funny because this is worth $36. The box is $35. So this little product right here will pay for the whole complete box. And let me tell you, if you haven't tried Wonder Beauty, they're really good. I have a few of their products and I was pretty amazed by them. So there's a great way to try that out. So I haven't tried it yet. I have it on my little, to-do list on my next. The next thing they sent is the IBY Beauty City Limits. And this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And I'm wearing that today. So if you're wondering what is on my eyes, that is what is on my eyes. And I was pretty impressed by these colors and how they worked. They're beautiful. I mean, you can see how pretty they are. You got shimmers, you got mattes, you got vibrant, and you got neutral. So basically, if you're a person that doesn't like very hyper colors, then you're great. But if you're somebody that loves bold, well, you got a little bit of that. And then you got something more simple. I went with a little simple and bold. And I love on the little mirror that it comes with, it says you are more than beautiful. And I'm like, that's cute because I always think about always leaving a positive message to you guys. So they did that and I love it. Okay, the next company, might as well tell you how much that one is. That one is $20 for this cute little palette. The next one is from LA Splash or La Splash. And it's Sinfully Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss. And look how beautiful. There's the little box. But look how beautiful this is. This is so cute. It has like a little diamond right there in the center. And I wore this one time. Oh, yeah. It smells like, I don't know, like something real sweet, like almost like a vanilla or like a type of pastry. That's what it smells like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right here. It is very pigmented and very comfortable. It's gorgeous. Like, it's really gorgeous. I love their eyeliner, which I use all the time. It's right here. This eyeliner is called Architect. Oh, Architect. It's waterproof. I love this liner. I use it all the time. Naked Tutorials had talked about it, and it came in the Allure box when I used to have the Allure box. I love it. Love it. The next thing they put, you might want to know how much that is, right? I'm just really doing a great job here. This one is $18. So $18 for this gorgeous lip gloss. I'm telling you, it's going to be there for the rest of the day. All right, the next one is from Dr. Botanicals, and this is the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. This one is $26, and it's a cute little glass bottle like this. And I have a few products that have rose in it, and I love it. They work so well on your complexion, and I've been using oils at night or serums because, you know, I am getting a little more mature, so okay, so they send you a little pamphlet like this, and that pamphlet has all the information, so that's what I'm reading off of. And the next ones that they send are these crown brushes right here. And these crown brushes are valued at $19 for these 4 brushes. I don't know if you guys ever tried crown brushes, but I love them. I have a few of their sets, and they work beautifully. This is their brow and lash groomer, so you know, which is great. It's always good to have one because they do get dirty. You know, they get dirty. The next one is their Over Smudger. Oval. Yes, I know. I can't pronounce it. I'm so sorry. Their smudger is usually like what you use under here, which is great. I love having that. The next one is a Chisel Fluff. Love the name. Chisel Fluff. And this is like, it's a little bit compact but fluffy, and I feel like this would be great if you're gonna put in the crease line or even to compact some eyeshadows. And then their last one is their Round Angle Blender, and this one is great. It's got a nice little shape. It kind of reminds me of the Huda Beauty one, and you can just, you know, make, you know, a nice long swiftness, or even go like this. So that kind of works. I will definitely try those out. I have not tried them out. The only thing I tried out was the palette and the lip gloss because I wanted to see how it felt on my mouth, and it felt wonderful. So this box, in all in all, for me, I found it really good. It had everything that I need, and that's another thing that they try to make sure that you have enough products for your face so you can do almost a complete face. So definitely great. That is pretty much it. The value in this one is $119, and I thought it was amazing. So like, you guys should just give it a try. And if you're international, definitely give it a try, because you guys do not get enough products out there. You do not get to try out, and subscription boxes are the best way to try. So I will definitely link my code right around here and in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and take that nice little percentage off and try them out. I think that's gonna be it. I want to make sure that I covered all the, you know, I had the little details here. Yep, everything is covered. So that's pretty much it for me. If you liked the video, like always, don't forget to hit like, please. It does help me to, you know, accomplish something or get somewhere. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell, so that way you're notified when I upload next. And if you have any questions, by all means, go ahead and pop them down below, and I will answer any questions for you guys. Other than that, remember to stay positive, and remember not to say "other than that" 500 times. That'd be good. That'd be good. Now remember that every negative has a positive. So if you're having a rough time, don't worry. It will go away, and you will see that sun again, and it would get nice and happy again. And trust me, I'm going through it. So it's my week of, oh my God, what the heck is going on? Anyway, you guys, you all take care. The number one reason that I wanted to do this video is because this box, I can't even remember what I'm talking about anymore. I would miss it. Okay, we're gonna have to redo this again. cut. How do you do a video short? Let me Google that.